Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded the role of the middle class in the country's growth and said their aspirations are giving impetus to the nation's progress. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today expressed grief over the demise of senior BJP leader and trustee of Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust, Kameshwar Chaupal. The government today said that it has laid a special focus on improving the health facilities in rural. Almost after 5 years, the Reserve Bank of India has reduced the policy repo rate by 25 basis points from 6.50% to 6.25%. The Employees Provident Fund organization has reached a significant milestone by surpassing the 5 crore claim settlements in the financial year 2024-25.